Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Gonna take a look and check some of my Fujica Single-8 Z800 and check some things on that. I'm filming with it. There you go. I'll go over to the desk here. Put that down and we're going to get started on this. Okay, so there's some things here I want to check, and to do that I want to do that with my choice of battery, something strong and powerful. Alright, so I'll have to open up the battery compartment, which is right down here. Take a good look. See how the red needle jumps to green? That means you got new batteries. You see the level of green it jumps up to? All the way right up there, that red needle. Alright, next I'm going to switch it from this mode to 1 down here at the end of my pencil eraser. So just slide this down. Just like that. And now when I press my shutter button, I can perform single frame. As you can hear. Take a look inside, press the shutter button, and look at the spindle. And we can see that's revolving right there. And remember, when you're done filming for the day, always remove the batteries from your Single-8, which is what this camera is, my Z800 Fujica, or your Super 8, so they won't corrode and cause any real issues inside of there. So there you have it. That's how on a Fujica Z800 that you switch to single frame to perform and create some animation. Alright, and once you put in fresh batteries, or if you have old batteries in there, you perform your battery check. Okay, do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Okay, until next time, see ya.